But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Isaiah 40. Amidst our struggles, we sometimes forget that our strength is renewable. Like the soaring eagle, we too can rise above our circumstances. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. John 14. In a world that thrives on chaos, peace can seem elusive, yet this prayer serves as a reminder that peace is always within reach, gifted to us by a source much greater than worldly troubles. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147. Pain is an inevitable part of life, but so is healing. This prayer encourages us to lean into the healing process, knowing that our wounds are never too deep for divine intervention. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. James 1. Wisdom is not a mere accumulation of knowledge, but a discerning insight that can only come from the divine. This prayer is a humble request for such wisdom. Learn to do right, seek justice, defend the oppressed, take up the cause of the fatherless, plead the case of the widow. Isaiah 1. In a world where injustice often prevails, this prayer serves as a powerful reminder of our calling to seek justice and defend the oppressed. In conclusion, each prayer serves as a lifeline, a conduit of divine power and comfort. Whether seeking strength, peace, healing, wisdom, or justice, these prayers offer a sanctuary, a place of refuge in the midst of life's storms. Remember, it is not the storm that defines us, but how we choose to navigate it. And with these prayers in our arsenal, we are never alone, never without hope. In the darkest hour, the simplest prayer can illuminate the path ahead.